So I was at a noisy lunch crowd coffee shop and I had these earbuds in transparency mode, and everything around me sounded loud and messy, people talking, plates clanking, machines are hissing in the background. Then I switched the earbuds to ANC and suddenly the whole environment disappeared. Voices dropped into a soft murmur, and with music playing it felt like I was inside my own quiet bubble. And that's when I realized these are not your typical Sammy in-ear earbuds. These are the Soundcore Liberty Buds, and it genuinely shocked me. So here's why. So Sammy in-ear earbuds usually focus on comfort, but the trade-off is you get weaker bass, weaker ANC, and a flatter overall sound. So I did not expect much when I first tried these on, but the Liberty Buds come loaded with features. You get adaptive ANC 3.0, spatial audio, LDAC, 11mm composite driver, you get multi-point, touch controls, IP55, and AI translation. And if you think about it, these are priced at $99, which is pretty decent for specs like that, but you do get $30 off using my code LIBERTY30OFF, and once I started listening to this, it became clear that these are just not comfort earbuds. So let me start with the part that makes most sense. Sound quality is where the Liberty Buds completely changed my expectation for Sammy in-ear earbuds. Because history has told us that if you don't have that seal, you're not getting good bass. But the bass is the first thing that hits me. It's deep, it's tight, powerful with kind of like that subwoofer rumble. And I honestly did not think a Sammy in-ear design could produce bass like that. The low end is strong but very controlled, there is punch, there is depth, and it does not bleed into the mids. And speaking of mids, the mid vocals sound nice and clear, and there is a slight hollowness in the middle of the vocal range, but it's an easy fix in the EQ. I'm not the biggest fan of the default EQ, which is Soundcore's signature, especially on this earbud, but once you tune it a little bit, the mids kind of sit nicely in the mix. The highs are brilliant and very sparkly without being too harsh, and the soundstage is wider than I expected. You listen to Hotel California and I could really hear instruments from different directions, and the imaging is very accurate as well, and I can really hear the instrument separations clearly. And for sound quality alone, these earbuds deliver far more than I expected from this design. So this is a test to see if the Soundcore Liberty Buds is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect with these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. And once you already have strong sound quality and great call quality, the next feature takes the listening experience even further. And spatial audio genuinely enhances the experience, and when it is turned on, the stage kind of opens up even more. Music feels more immersive, and if you listen to live recording sounds, it's even more realistic, and it works especially well with that already wide soundstage that you get. And when watching movies or playing games, spatial audio does make it a lot different. It's not like Dolby Atmos, and it doesn't give you that 7.1 experience, but it audibly opens up and widens the soundstage pretty substantially. And great sound is only half of the story, and what really surprised me was how well these handle noisy environments, especially for Sammy in-ear earbuds. And even with this, you get adaptive ANC 3.0 on this Sammy in-ear earbuds design, which technically shouldn't work well at all. So there is no silicone seal, so going in, my expectations were not very high. Yet the moment I switched on from transparency to ANC in that crowded coffee shop, the difference was huge. Crowd noise definitely dropped drastically, voices became slightly faint in the background, and with music playing, it almost disappears. It handles road noise and airplane hums surprisingly well, but definitely not quite at the level of in-ear ANC earbuds, but very close. Much closer than I expected from this type of design. And all of this is even better because these earbuds are extremely comfortable to wear. Comfort is where semi-in-ear design usually shines, and the Liberty Bud is no exception. I can wear them for long sessions without ear fatigue, and soundcore did include 3 ear fin sizes from 0 to 3, and you can pick the sizes that fits your ear and the earbuds stay stable without pushing deep inside. So once fitted correctly, they definitely stay in place even when you're moving around. So they definitely check the comfort box. And since modern earbuds need to do more than just sound good, the Liberty Buds does come with a full list of features. This earbud supports LDAC for high resolution audio, especially on Android devices that supports it. Multipoint also lets you connect to 2 devices at the same time, and you also get a very responsive and reliable touch control. You get 4 AI enhanced microphones that helps with calls and noise reductions, which you've heard earlier on. Gaming latency is low and connection is also very stable and solid, so let's check out how it performs. And all that performance still needs a good battery life to back it up. Battery life here is solid. With ANC off, you're going to get 7 hours and 23 additional hours with the case, and with ANC on, you're going to get 6 hours and 20 additional hours with the case. A 10 minutes charge will quickly give you 4 hours of playback without ANC, and so even if you forget to charge your earbuds, you can still top it up quickly. And there are also some extra features that makes this stand out even more. So inside the soundcore app, you get AI translation that supports more than 100 languages with real-time captions. It's pretty useful if you use it for travel, conversations across different languages, and one thing I really like is also all the sleep sounds you get in the app, where you can truly customize them for sleeping, and the app also lets you configure everything you need from controls remapping, ANC toggle, and a whole bunch more settings to make the earbuds truly yours. The earbuds also have IP55 protection, so they can handle sweat, rain, and dust without problems, so definitely good for workouts and your daily use. So after testing these in different environments, here's where I land. The soundcore Liberty Buds surprised me in almost every way. Sound quality is impressive with deep bass, bright highs, and a wide soundstage. The imaging here is very accurate as well. The adaptive ANC 3.0, which was also used in their other in-ear earbuds, and is shockingly good for this semi-in-ear design. Comfort is also excellent, connectivity features are strong, battery life is solid, and you get LDAC, spatial audio, and a whole bunch of good features. If you want maximum isolation, definitely still get an in-ear earbuds, but if you want something incredibly comfortable with sound that goes way beyond its category, then I think the Liberty Buds are easily one of the best semi-in-ear earbuds I've tested this year. So as I've mentioned, the Liberty Buds retails for $99, but you can also get $30 off if you use the code right over here, and you can get them for $69.99. And the code is valid for a limited time, so grab them while you can. Links are in the description below, and if you want another video, check out these videos up here.